Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Asus ROG Strix SCAR models. So friends, Republic of Gamers means ROG has announced the availability of new ROG Strix SCAR 17, G733Z and SCAR 15, G533Z models, and friend, it features the newest 12th generation Intel Core processor, ultra fast NanoEdge screen, liquid metal cooling system, and efficient MUX switch. And friend, the gaming laptops provide complete gaming capability for e-athletes and ambitious gamers. And friend, with the specialized gaming keyboard which includes per kill, illumination, aura sync, and light bar, gamers can personalize their setup and are well equipped for immersive gaming experience. And friend, both notebooks are specially designed for high performance gaming. Both models are equipped with powerful components such as latest Intel Core i9 12900H processor, up to 32 GB RAM and 2 TB SSDs, as well as up to an NVIDIA GeForce 3080 Ti and RTX 3070 Ti laptop graphics. And friend, integrated MUX which ensure even higher graphics power and thus enables first class frame rate for competitive gaming. And friend, both notebooks have an even more effective liquid metal thermal compound and on the CPU or 4 dedicated air outlets to efficiently dissipate on the heat out of the system. And friend, SCAR 17 model is priced at €2,799 and SCAR 15 model is priced at 200 and SCAR 15 model is priced at €2,199. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.